Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we're going to see how I created these small images in ChatGPT images and how I used it here. So it's pretty simple. I just asked it to create images for these three words. Based on these three words, I asked it to create small icons. So something like this. It created small icons with the text I provided, and I asked it to use, instead of blue, I told it to use the specific purple color, and no text, more isometric and more cute. I add this on all my like illustration prompts, and it gave me the exact things that you're seeing over here. But I want to cut this, right? So I use this tool to cut it. So I just drag and drop my image over here, and I just add the number of rows and everything to cut it, and yeah, it just downloads three images for this, and I can bring it here. I can crop it and use it easily. So yeah, that's the whole flow. You can just go into ChatGPT and ask it to generate an image like this, and it will give exactly what you want. And you can just cut it, add it over here. So these are just 30 cross 30 images. I cropped it as perfectly as possible, and that's it. Let me know if you want more specific prompts, more ChatGPT 4.0 icons tutorial, how to do illustrations like this in ChatGPT 4.0, and I'll make that video. Yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.